Hey guys, I'm so sorry that I didn't finish last night's vlog, but to be honest, we're all a little bit traumatized in the house and just kind of really upset just over what happened to the animals yesterday. Like my auntie's dog Bing Bong and then our Chewy, I just feel so upset today, like thinking that like somebody has these great big dogs and they are like they got out and they attacked our little dogs, and I'm just so upset over it and I just don't understand. I still can't comprehend to this day, but we have a little bit of an update. The dog warden has taken the dogs and they're now in a pound. Here goes my curtain poles. Anyway, the dog warden has taken the dogs and they're in the pound, and I presume they're going to either get the dogs put down, or they will be deciding, you know, can they be rehomed? I don't even know, but they're not going back to their previous owners anyway. And I just think that it's, I don't know, it's a good thing I guess, but sad at the same time, because if these people just took care of their dogs, or you know, whatever, you know, with their dogs, then none of this would have happened, and it's just a very sad state of affair. So that's the update on that. The update on Bing Bong is he was down in the vets last night, and they had to go to an emergency vet visit. I said that yesterday, and his whole back passage has been destroyed, and the vet repaired it as best as he could. So now he's home with my auntie, but he seems to be a little bit incontinent at the moment. I am just so upset over it, and like he's if the vet said that if he had no quality of life, he would have advised my auntie to get him put down, but he says that he should make a full recovery, so that's one good thing. Now we're keeping our fingers crossed, because at the moment, like, he's just, like I said, he's incontinent and he's not, you know, able to use his proper body functions because the dogs destroyed him so bad back there, and they ripped clumps of his hair out, and there's flesh wounds as well. So that's kind of where we're at now. Chewy's been brought down to the vet tomorrow because that's the next available day for the vet to be open, just for a little checkup and stuff, but he seems to be fine. Like, he's grand, he has no open wounds or anything like that. Like I already said yesterday, he's actually grand because my neighbour was so quick and lifted Chewy up off the ground bravely and threw him into her house, because if she didn't do that, the dogs probably would have got him as well. And if that brave man who didn't get the hurl out of the back of his van and started beating the shit out of the other dogs, God knows where we'd be at now. It's awful because the whole situation is just completely and utterly avoidable if people just took better care of their animals. So that's where we're at now. And my situation is I'm currently going to a tile store because I've decided that the tiles around the kitchen sink, the more I look at them, the more they disgust me. So I'm gonna get some new tiles for there. I know how to tile myself, so I'm a pro at it now. I'm gonna go and pick up some tiles and some tile adhesive, and then I also got two not sledgehammers, like little sledge things that, yeah, sledgehammer kind of. No, not a sledgehammer, that's the big thing. What are they called? I can't think of the name, but they're to basically chip away at the old tiles on the wall to get them off. I'm just, my mind is all over the place today because I'm just really upset over what happened and a little bit traumatized, and kind of thankful that I didn't actually get to see the attack, because I feel like that would just thrown me over the edge altogether. It really upset me, big time upset me. Right, I'm at the tile place now, so I'm gonna go in and have a look and see what sort of tiles I can get. How fun. Fun. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with, these ugly white tiles, which I detest. So I bought myself nice grey ones, and they're over here. I got them in Woodies. I went to a few different tile places, but these are the colour that I want, this kind of grey. And these were only 23 euro or something for a box of them, and there should be more than enough to do over there. I still need to paint this as well, it's a nightmare. So I'm worrying about taking this off in case it takes off some of the wall, but hopefully it won't. So taking these tiles off is going to be a big issue. So I googled, and Google said you can tile over tiles and they fit perfectly So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tile over the already existing tiles. I do have a bit of an issue here because this is a really old sink. It kind of has a lip on the back here. So I'm going to have to, like, the tiles are not all going to be the same, which kind of annoys me. Like, these tiles are going to have to sit up here. So that's kind of going to be an issue, I think. But maybe not. We'll see how we get on. I'm so excited. John's daddy just dropped in the mattress and he brought it upstairs so me and John don't have to do it tonight. I'm just so excited. I'm so stinking excited. Wait till you see this, guys. My mattress. This is the mattress. And John's dad's so funny, right? So he had like a marker and he was like dividing the mattress into half. So he's like John on one side and then he has like Ash and then a row night Ash. It's so funny. Actually this is my side of the bed, that's John's side, so that's all him. He can sleep over there. I'm so excited about this. Like, it's so cool that we have our mattress and all the stuff over here for the mattress. So yesterday I went to Penny's and got this super soft duvet in a king size, obviously, and I got it in a tog 15. So this is the highest tog it goes up to because I wanted it really, really, really warm, just, you know, in the winter and stuff. So I'm gonna actually put the bed together. I have throws and stuff that I got from I think this one is from Penny's and this one's from IKEA and that's from Penny's, and then I have this trove from IKEA as well. So I haven't decided. Oh no, what's that? I spilled coffee on it already. God damn. And then I have our bed sheets here, which I just got plain white, and I have other stuff in there for a Penny's haul, which I'll talk about later. And then I got these in B&M. I showed you them already, and I got the bed linen as well. I need to get a mattress topper too, so I'll get that in due course, but I'm very excited. Yay! These two lights as well, these push LED lights, and these are all John's tools, that I'm gonna put underneath here and then just push them so they give a bit more light under the countertop. So I'm gonna see what these look like. I got them in deals, so I don't know how they're gonna work. Or I also don't really like the cool light that comes out of an LED bulb, but sure, doesn't really matter. They're only for underneath the countertop for extra lighting. Okay, so I know there's like a million people who are gonna go absolutely ape at me for this, but I'm gonna put the bed sheets on, and I haven't put them in the washing machine. And I usually would wash the sheets, new sheets, before I put them on, but I'm just so keen to have these done, and they're not going to be dry by tomorrow unless I put them in the tumble dryer. I just really want to put them on. Is that really bad? Like, am I going to kill everybody with unhealth because they're not washed? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I brought in John's bedside locker, or not bedside locker, his chest of drawers for his clothes. I haven't figured out what I'm doing with mine, but that's for him. For him, and there's like flowers on it and like a little canvas painting and stuff. But you know what I mean. That's his. He can decorate it like as masculine as he wants. I just put them up there for the time being. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be really unhealthy and really bold and do that. It's done! There's my bed! Hey guys, so it is the next day. And I'm really sorry I didn't finish yesterday's vlog. It's just life got in the way and you know the usual kind of stuff. Things get busy. Anyway, I'm gonna start filming today's vlog and I hope you enjoyed yesterday's vlog. And my camera, that's why actually my battery died and then I just forgot all about vlogging again. Yeah, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, yesterday's vlog, and I'm gonna start today's vlog. So I'll see you in my next video.